I'm Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and in this tap video today, I am going to do clapping and tap rhythms. Sometimes you do incorporate like clapping or snapping with rhythms, tap rhythms, and I'm going to break down 3 different rhythms to show you that. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first one is pretty easy. We're going to start out with a stomp, clap, stomp, clap, shuffle, ball change, and stomp, clap. Now, yes, I am doing a second stomp on that left foot with the clap, but I can't say stomp and clap at the same time because it would change the rhythm. It's not stomp, stomp, clap. That clap happens at the same time as the stomp does, so I'm just saying the clap. So it's stomp, clap, shuffle, ball change, stomp, clap. All right, that's the rhythm. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, so you could get a little heavier with it if you wanted to make it more of a rhythm type looking tap step. So that would be stomp, clap, shuffle, ball change, and stomp, clap. If you want to stylize it a little bit. All right, it does reverse, so you would just start on the left foot. So it would be stomp, clap, shuffle, ball change, and stomp, clap. One more time on that side. It's stomp, clap, shuffle, ball change, and stomp, clap. All right, that's the first one. Second one is a little bit more involved, and this time you are going to do stomp, stomp, clap, clap to start it off with. So we're going to start on our right, and it's stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, clap. So that repeats twice. Then you're going to do a scuff, heel, ball change, stomp, stomp, clap, clap. All right, let's do that again. It's stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, scuff, heel, ball change, stomp, stomp, clap, clap. All right, a little bit faster. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, scuff, heel, ball change, stomp, stomp, clap, clap. And be sure that when you do that scuff, heel, ball change, you don't hurry the rhythm or it's going to change it. All right, so we're going to go a little bit faster. Here we go. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, scuff, heel, ball change, stomp, stomp, clap, clap. And a little faster. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, scuff, heel, ball change, stomp, stomp, clap, clap. And this one reverses as well. So starting on your left side, you're going to do stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, scuff, heel, ball change, stomp, stomp, clap, clap. Okay, one more time on that one. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, scuff, heel, ball change, stomp, stomp, clap, clap. All right, and then for the last one, I'm starting with pats on the leg. So you're going to do pat, pat, brush back, stomp, stomp, heel, so hit the back of your like heel, stomp, clap. All right, so that was pat your thigh, brush back, stomp, stomp, heel, stomp, clap. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And so that 7 and 8 does tend to just pick up a little. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that one does alternate as well. So we're going to start on our left. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There you go. I hope you like those different rhythms. You can just kind of play with them. It just shows you that sometimes you do have to incorporate, you know, just different rhythms that people give you. It's not just always about your tap rhythm. Sometimes you have to incorporate snaps or different claps or different just, you know, body rhythms to incorporate those tap patterns when you are tapping. It also helps you start to learn different handography when you are tapping, like if you're in musical theater or more showy things. All right, there you go. I hope you like that. Don't forget to click and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next.